The story of Jodha and Akbar is a captivating tale of political strategy, cultural amalgamation, and an extraordinary love that bridged religious and cultural divides in the 16th century Mughal Empire. This narrative unfolds against the backdrop of a vibrant and expansive Indian subcontinent, where the Mughal Emperor Akbar and the Rajput Princess Jodha Bai embark on a journey that would reshape the course of history. Prologue: A Kingdom in Flux. The Indian subcontinent in the 16th century was a tapestry of kingdoms and empires, each with its own unique culture, traditions, and ambitions. Among these, the Mughal Empire was expanding rapidly under the dynamic leadership of Akbar, one of its most illustrious rulers. Known for his military prowess and administrative genius, Akbar sought not only to conquer territories but also to unify his diverse empire through diplomacy and cultural integration. The proposal: a political alliance. In 1562, Akbar's expansionist ambitions led him to seek alliances with the Rajput kingdoms, known for their valor and fierce independence. Raja Bharmal of Amer, recognizing the strategic advantage of an alliance with the powerful Mughal emperor, offered his daughter, Princess Jodha Bai, in marriage to Akbar. This proposal was not just a matrimonial alliance but a significant political strategy aimed at ensuring peace and fostering goodwill between the Mughals and the Rajputs. Jodha Bai, a devout Hindu and proud Rajput princess, initially resisted the idea of marrying a Mughal emperor. She was deeply attached to her culture and religion, and the prospect of moving to a predominantly Muslim court was daunting. However, understanding the political importance and the potential for fostering unity, she agreed to the marriage, with the hope of maintaining her identity and traditions within the Mughal palace. The marriage: a grand union. The marriage between Akbar and Jodha Bai took place amidst grand celebrations, blending Mughal and Rajput customs. This union was significant, not just as a political alliance but as a symbol of cultural harmony. Akbar, recognizing Jodha's apprehensions, ensured that she could continue her religious practices and maintain her cultural identity. Jodha Bai was given the title Maryam-uz-Zamani, meaning Mary of the Age, and was granted a prominent position in the Mughal court. Her quarters included a Hindu temple, which Akbar had built to honor her faith, marking a profound gesture of respect and acceptance, the blossoming of love and respect. The initial phase of their marriage was marked by mutual respect and understanding. Jodha's influence on Akbar grew steadily, not just as a beloved wife but as a wise and insightful advisor. Her strong will, intelligence, and dedication to her beliefs left a lasting impression on Akbar. The emperor, known for his inclusive and tolerant approach, was deeply inspired by Jodha's steadfastness and devotion. Their relationship gradually transformed into a deep and abiding love, transcending the political and cultural barriers that initially defined their union. Akbar's respect for Jodha's faith and traditions led him to introduce significant reforms, promoting religious tolerance and cultural integration within his empire. His policy of Sulh-i-Kul, or universal peace, aimed at fostering harmony among his diverse subjects, was a direct reflection of the influence of Jodha and other wise advisors. Reforms and cultural fusion. Under Jodha's influence, Akbar's court became a hub of cultural fusion and intellectual exchange. He invited scholars, poets, and artists from various cultural backgrounds to his court, fostering an environment of learning and creativity. Akbar's interest in different religions led to the formation of the Ibadat Khana, a place where scholars of different faiths could engage in discussions and debates. Jodha's presence in the Mughal court was a constant reminder of the possibility of unity in diversity. Her role as Maryam-uz-Zamani went beyond her influence on Akbar. She was actively involved in charitable activities, patronizing arts and culture, and supporting various religious and cultural projects. Her wisdom and compassion earned her immense respect, not just within the court but among the people of the empire. The birth of Prince Salim and continuing legacy. In 1569, Jodha Bai gave birth to their son, Prince Salim, who would later ascend the throne as Emperor Jahangir. The birth of Salim was seen as a divine blessing and further solidified the bond between Jodha and Akbar. Jodha's influence on Salim's upbringing played a crucial role in shaping his perspectives and policies. As Salim grew up, he inherited the legacy of his parents, Akbar's administrative genius and Jodha's cultural sensitivity. This blend of qualities contributed to the continuation of Akbar's policies of inclusivity and tolerance during Jahangir's reign. Epilogue: An enduring legacy. The story of Jodha and Akbar transcends their lifetimes, leaving a legacy that continues to inspire generations. Their marriage was not just a personal union but a significant historical event that symbolized the power of love, respect, and mutual understanding in bridging cultural and religious divides. Jodha's influence on Akbar's policies and their shared vision of a harmonious empire left an indelible mark on the Mughal administration. Akbar's reign is often remembered as a golden era of cultural integration and religious tolerance, thanks in large part to the impact of Jodha Bai. Their story has been immortalized in Indian history and culture, celebrated in folklore, literature, and popular media. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of love and the potential for unity in diversity. The tale of Jodha and Akbar reminds us that true leadership transcends power and conquest, embracing empathy, respect, and the timeless values of harmony and inclusivity. Thus, the story of Jodha and Akbar is a narrative of love and respect that bridged cultural divides, fostering an era of unparalleled cultural and religious harmony in the Mughal Empire. It is a story that continues to resonate, offering valuable lessons on the power of unity and the enduring impact of visionary leadership.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video.